कॅन्सर हें खूब वायट दुयेंस. ब्रेस्ट कॅन्सर दुयेंसांतल्यान वाचिल्ल्या लोकांची भारतांतली 7वी आवृत्ती परिशद गोंयांत जाली. ह्या परिशदे खातीर बाकीच्या राज्यांतल्या लोकांनी वांटो घेतिल्लो. परिशद पणजे जाली. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
And I'm extremely thankful to all our esteemed guests who have come here, all the delegates who have come. They had a tiring day yesterday, but I hope all of you have enjoyed the Goan hospitality. Yes. And there was a fantastic lectures today morning by Madam Shona and Dr. Mandar. You will all agree with this. It was a very informative. There are more talks to come like this of all of our interests like lymphedema.
Brave, strong, courageous and inspirational. Each one of you is not just a survivor. You are the ones on the battlefield. You are winners. Remember, you're just not survivors. I was one of you. I am one of you actually. 18 years ago in 2000, I also had a breast cancer. And that started my journey, and I realized in a funny way, it was a gift. Today, when you look back, you yourselves will...
We're talking about why people have conferences. There are too many conferences going around. There's very little take home. Our patients tend to get neglected. And then we just came up with the idea that maybe we need to focus on survivorship. Because you guys are all facing a new normal when you finish your treatment.
Firstly, I would like you to all do something for me. I want you to all applaud yourselves. Because I have been dealing with this issue for a very long time. As you know, as a designer, women come and tell us stories that they don't even tell their own doctor.
We all know that cancer cases are on the rise, partly because of our lifestyle, partly because of our ignorance, but I think largely also, because of the inavailability of treatment of cancer at an early stage.
So this is the 7th Indian Breast Cancer Survivors Conference. So this is the first time it is being held in Goa. Dr. Salkar, along with the Women's Cancer Initiative, so that's Devika Bhojwani, Tata Memorial Hospital, Anil Salgaonkar Foundation, the Muskan Trust, Gokarma Foundation and NAG Foundation together. So this is a brilliant event that they have set up. So in the morning we had a few lectures and a lot of interactions because the delegates, and I can see at least about 250 breast cancer survivors, they have come in from Maharashtra, they have come in from Gujarat, they have come in from Goa, they are from Goa, they have come in from Karnataka, many different places they have come from, and they are attending out here, Mumbai, Pune, they have come all the way.